1300 hours, Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. Foreign Minister says Pakistan will continue to play its vigorous role in maintaining regional peace and stability. Pakistan's ambassador to France says Islamabad has raised Kashmir issue with United Nations and all important capitals in the world. 97 new deaths from coronavirus have been reported, with 4,734 new confirmed cases in the country during the last 24 hours. In Afghanistan, 11 security personnel were killed during clashes in Badakhshan province today. And now the news in detail. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi says lasting peace and stability in Afghanistan is indispensable for construction and development of the entire region. Talking to Special Envoy of Pakistan to Afghanistan, Ambassador Muhammad Sadiq in Islamabad today, he said Pakistan sincerely played its constructive role in Afghan peace process, which is now being acknowledged by the world community as well. The foreign minister said Islamabad will continue to play its vigorous role in maintaining regional peace and stability. During the meeting, matters pertaining to Afghan peace process as well as regional peace and stability came under discussion. Pakistan's ambassador to France, Moinul Haq, says Pakistan stands by Kashmiri people under the leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan in their just struggle for realization of the right to self-determination. Talking to Kashmiri and Pakistani diaspora in France during a virtual meeting, he said Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has raised Kashmir issue with United Nations and his counterparts in all important capitals. He also informed them of positive role being played by various human rights organizations, parliamentarians, including members of European Parliament and journalists from around the world in condemning Indian excesses in occupied Kashmir. Pakistan's permanent representative to United Nations in Geneva, Khalil Hashmi, says India is exploiting the coronavirus pandemic to perpetrate human rights violations in occupied Kashmir. Addressing a virtual conference hosted by Office of UN High Commissioner for Human Rights in Geneva, he said COVID-19 is being used as a smokescreen by India to perpetrate human rights abuses in Kashmir at a scale the world has not seen in recent times. He said that occupied Kashmir had been under a 10-month lockdown since August 5 last year, when India repealed Kashmir's special status and put it under military siege. Khalil Hashmi urged UNHCR to pay special attention to the situation of human rights in territories under illegal foreign occupation, especially in occupied Kashmir. Pakistan Army troops have shot down an Indian spying quadcopter in Khanjar sector along line of control. According to ISPR, the quadcopter had intruded 500 meters on Pakistani side of the LOC. This is 8th Indian quadcopter shot by Pakistan Army troops this year. 4,734 new coronavirus cases have surfaced in the country over the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 93,983. These include 35,308 in Punjab, 34,889 in Sindh, 12,445 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 5,776 in Balochistan, 4,323 in Islamabad, 897 in Gilgit-Baltistan and 331 in Azad Kashmir. The death toll from the virus stands at 1,935, with 97 deaths reported over the last 24 hours. 32,581 patients have so far recovered from the disease. Coronavirus pandemic has claimed more than 398,483 lives across the world so far, with over 6.86 million confirmed cases. The United States tops the list with 111,393 deaths, followed by Britain with 40,261 and Italy 33,774 deaths. More than 3.3 million people have recovered from the infection. G20 countries have pledged over $21 billion to fight coronavirus. In a statement, the group said the pledges will be directed towards diagnostics, vaccines, therapeutics, and research and development. Earlier, the group called on all countries, non-governmental organizations, philanthropies, and private sector to help close a financing gap estimated over $8 billion to combat COVID-19 pandemic. In Afghanistan, 11 security personnel were killed in a roadside bomb blast at Khash district in Badakhshan province today. The provincial police spokesman said the bomb was planted in a vehicle. 4 Taliban militants, including Shadow Governor of Taliban for Khash district, Mullah Hamid, were also killed in the blast. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.